to you out there. Welcome to Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Saladmaster. My name is Nessy. It's going to be exciting tonight. Just stay tuned. Today, we are going to cook one of Ghana's favorite meals, waakye. Do you like waakye? Do you have a favorite waakye joint? On Nessy's Healthy Cooking tonight, we are going to add a bit of a twist to our waakye today. Why? Because we are not using the very regular ingredients we are used to. We are using something really special and amazing. If you are new to this, I hope you love it. Try it, share, give us a comment, and let us know how it went for you. So to prepare our special waakye tonight, we have really basic ingredients. You know I love basic ingredients. So we have our rice here, about 3 cups of rice in this bowl, and this colorful, beautiful liquid thingy you see here is actually beetroot, which is grounded or blended. I'm going to give you a little gist on beetroot pretty soon. And for those of you who don't know what beetroots are, this is what it looks like. I just brought half a piece just to show what beetroot looks like. It is highly nutritious. I have some cabbage and carrot here just to prepare a very simple salad to go with our waakye tonight. And then to help me prepare the waakye, I have my very special 5-quart here. I love the 5-quart because it cooks good for my family size. If you're a family of about 5 to 6, 7-ish, this is very ideal for your soups, for your rice, for banku, everything you want to do. The 5-quart is very ideal for you to cook in it. And of course, inside my 5-quart, there is, oh, you can see the smoke and then the steam coming out, don't you? Yes, let me show you what's in here. So inside this 5-quart, I have beans, and the beans here, I started cooking it on the side for just a bit. What you see plus the beans is actually coconut milk and some onion. So today for our waakye, we are not cooking it with regular water. We're using the milk from the hard coconut to cook this waakye. Like I said, that's a bit of a twist, isn't it? So let's just see how everything is going to go tonight. So once this is almost cooked, I put it on fire for about 15-ish minutes. And that will depend on the quantity of beans you're cooking, the type of beans you're cooking. So really just how you want it to go. Some people want their waakye very soft. Some people want it a honey hole. Some people want it very hard or one. So really just feel free, play around your waakye and then get that desired taste of your choice. So once this is almost cooked, I'm just going to go straight ahead and pour in my rice. Okay, which I washed already. And then I am going to add my beetroot blended as well. So you know with the waakye we want a bit of color in there. The beetroot is actually very good to give us the color we want in our waakye. Now, did you know that beetroots are a good source of magnesium, vitamins, iron, and a whole lot? But most importantly, it's actually heart healthy and helps lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases by actually lowering your blood pressure. You know, blood pressure is a primary risk factor for heart diseases. So when you incorporate such ingredients in your diet all the time, it helps reduce the risk of actually getting high blood pressure, thereby giving you good heart. Meaning you stand a chance of doing away with heart attacks, some strokes, and any form of cardiovascular diseases. So by all means, try and incorporate some beetroots in your daily life, in your salads, in your stews, in your soups. In fact, everything beetroot can represent in there. So today, it's representing in our waakye. So this is going to go back on the fire, and then we just cook everything together, and then we see how everything goes. So of course, I have added a bit of salt in there, once again to your taste, depending on the quantity of food that you are cooking. So let's go straight to the fire and put this on. So everything is on fire now. I'm just going to open it and give it a good stir with my wooden ladle here. going to look beautiful once it's done. Oh, can you see it shaping up already? We're getting that reddish color we want for our waakye. Don't worry if it's a bit too red, we're still going to enjoy it anyways. Okay, stir. So the rice ratio to beans, really, it depends on how you want your waakye. If you want a bit of, more beans in there, by all means, use more beans. So the beans you're seeing here is about 1 cup to about 3 cups of rice. Well, the cup for measuring my rice is quite small, so yeah. Maybe it won't be as big as yours or as small as yours, but just, hey, however you want it, you're good to go. I have a bit of the beetroot stuck in the bowl, so I'm just using a bit of water just to get it out. So this is the only time I've added some water to the waakye on fire. So we're just going to leave it to cook through and through, and then in no time everything will be done. Alrighty. Let's just cover it and give it some time to cook. As always, my set is never complete without this beautiful piece of processor here. And like I always say, this is absolutely free. You don't pay a dime for it. Now, let me ask a question. If I told you that I'm going to dash you $500, what would you do? Just think about it. This or that is the worth of this machine sitting in front of me here. And I'm telling you, we don't sell it, we give it out for free. All I ask you to do, pick any of the numbers you see rolling down your screen, give us a call, and we'll let you in on how to get this piece of beauty in your home. Because your kitchen is still not complete because you don't have my beautiful, amazing, easy to use food processor in your kitchen. Now tell me something. What do you normally eat your waakye with? I know people do like the wele, the fishes, the meat, the chicken, the eggs. Yes. I love to eat waakye with eggs. I love all the others, but eggs have to represent in my waakye as well. And today, I'm going to show you how here in Saladmaster, we can actually boil egg with virtually no water. You heard me right. Virtually no water. So I have here what we call the 1 quart. Now this is the last baby in the Saladmaster collection. This is the smallest piece in the Saladmaster collection. I love using my 1 quart for when I'm preparing my baby's food, when I have to just reheat some food for, some leftovers in the fridge and all that, so that I don't have to use my microwave. So this is sort of my microwave, right from the fridge into my 1 quart, straight to the fire. Remember, health is very, very important, and so we are trying as much as possible to retain the natural nutrients in the foods that we cook in Saladmaster all the time. So let me quickly just show you what's happening in here. I have 5 eggs. Yes, 5. I got the count right. 5 eggs in here, and can you even see the water? Literally about 2 tablespoons of water in here. I know you'll be wondering, but egg 2, no water? Yes. One thing water does, it actually dilutes food. And when we cook in Saladmaster the eggs this way, we maintain the integrity of the yolk, meaning the color is maintained, it has that naturalness. So, like I said, 93% of the nutrition in everything we cook in Saladmaster, we get it to our bodies, and egg is no different. So I'm just going to put this on fire, give it low heat, and in no time the eggs will be ready. I'm going to show you how it ends. So follow me to the fire once again. Come and see. So with this, we lower the fire to the very, very lowest. Going. Gone. And this is it, and literally in about 10 minutes, the eggs should be ready. If you are new to Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Saladmaster, let me just walk you through what's happening here. Can you hear that click, 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 click sound? Yes, that is the sound of the alarm alerting us that the fire or the temperature has risen beyond 86. It keeps rising, so we need to turn low the fire. Once we turn the fire low, what happens is that the clicking sound ceases, letting us know that everything is cooking at 86 degrees Celsius or below. And like I always say, that is the optimum temperature to retain the nutrition in the food, or maximize the nutrition in the food, and also kill any bad bacteria that may be in there. So our special waakye is ready. Let's go see what's in there. Okay. Okay, this is different. You notice we didn't get that reddish look we started with. Yeah, beets or beetroots are reddish. However, when you use in food, it doesn't really stain the food as you would think. But hey, this is our special waakye right here on Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Saladmaster. I cannot wait to taste this. Okay, so it's time to see our egg. I believe it's ready. 10 minutes is up. Oh my God. Okay, that's it. Yeah. It's done. It's cooked. It's boiled. I know you're wondering, is this cooked? Let's see. See? It is done. So I'm just going to take the shell off and then come and show you the final product of our eggs, boiled with very, very little water. Lovely viewers, our food is ready. And I have here everything served and ready to go. Now look at this plate. It has everything you need in what we call a balanced diet. This is rich in protein. This has all of the fats that you need, of course the good fats of course. We have our fiber representing as well, a little bit of sauce on the side, and of course, like I mentioned, this can go with anything of your choice: fish, chicken, fillet, you name it, even snails and crabs. If that's your, your poison, why not? But for us, we chose to go with some eggs today. And as I showed you earlier, the eggs were cooked with very, very little water. So I know you're wondering, are we sure this is cooked? Let's see. Let's just crack one open and then let me show you. Look at that. It's done. It's cooked, hard boiled. We didn't have to use water. We used about 2 tablespoons of water to cook 5 eggs. And see what is happening here. This can only be achieved with our specialist cooking equipment, the Saladmaster. So see, done. I'm just going to cut it open and show you what's in there as well. Let me quickly grab my knife. Okay, are you ready? So that's just about it. Look at that. The integrity of the yolk is maintained. So this has all the nutrients in there, nothing is missing. I'm just going to put it on my plate here, and everything is ready to go. This is yummy. I know by now you are wondering, wow, this Nessy is not my favorite waakye seller. If you came to me, probably it would be like a plate of 120 Ghana cedis. What do you think? This is nutrition dense, so definitely it's worth 120 Ghana cedis. But for today, it's absolutely free. What I want you to do is just try this at home. Give us a comment. Let us know how everything went. It has been Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Saladmaster. And know that health is of paramount importance, so make the right choice today. See you next week. Bye-bye.